In this age of Occupy Wall Street, this move went over like a lead balloon. Remember, a month ago, Bank of America announced a new $5 monthly charge for customers who want to use their debit card. Many account holders said enough is enough and at least talked about taking their accounts elsewhere. Here with some advice about how to do it right is Kelli Grant, Senior Consumer Reporter for SmartMoney.com. Kelli, as always, good morning to you.
Good morning.
And the idea here is to not jump from one bank that has the same fees to another that maybe has even more fees.
Exactly. You want to try to avoid being in the same situation. So the thing for consumers first to think about is you want to start to assess what are the features that you really use at your bank. And that might be things online like direct deposit, automatic bill pay, but also how many times you visit the branch, how many times you use that ATM. And you want to look for another bank that offers those same features, maybe for less money and hopefully for free, and then how convenient all of that ATM and bank access.
And you know, they say when banks bust, credit unions boom. So in this period of time, you at least want to cast a wide net. Take a look at everything.
Very true. You don't want to just look at other banks. You want to look at smaller local banks. Credit unions are a great option in terms of being fee-free, online-only banks. Lots of different opportunities there to find an account that works for you. But you also want to talk to HR. Oftentimes, companies have partnerships with some of the bigger banks, so you might be able to get really good premium account for free.
This is pretty interesting. Consider switch deals. What do you mean?
If you are in the market for a new bank account, certainly the banks right now are offering a lot of good deals to try to get you to come to them. Up as much as $400 in Citibank right now is a pretty good example, but most of the deals are a little bit less than that. And these enticements are good news if you already were considering that bank, but like we said before, you really don't want to join a new bank if you're going to get charged a fee, especially if those are going to eat away at that.
And you can't just start a new account and begin using it the exact same day and then the old one goes away. I mean, this is something that's going to take some time.
It is going to take some time for most people, a couple of weeks, maybe at most a month or so. You're going to end up having to need two accounts because you need to transfer all of those direct deposits, any of those automatic payments like your mortgage or student loans, and that can take a couple of weeks. Plus you have to figure there might be some outstanding checks that you need to wait to clear.
And, you know, this almost sounds like relationship advice. Take your time, it doesn't just happen overnight. The very last point here, make your current bank work if you can. Try to work it out.
You do want to consider that maybe there's something you can do with your current bank that will help you avoid those fees. Something simple like adding direct deposit is enough to waive the fee in most banks, or even, adding something like a credit card. Now more banks are looking at all of your business with them, so having a little extra credit might help you push that away. You can also look at maybe adding a separate bank instead of getting rid of your current bank, adding something like ING Direct or Perk Street. They actually have a debit card that you can use, and that's going to be fee-free, say if you were trying to avoid that $5 Bank of America charge.
Very good. All right. Kelli Grant for SmartMoney.com. Kelli, as always, thank you so much.
Thank you.